All right, welcome to this video and we'll create a Q&A knowledge base. So first of all, I will log on to the Q&A sign-in portal and then we'll tell you how to proceed further. So let me just log on to the portal and take it from there. This is the AI. So you see sign in option on the top right corner, click on sign in. So usually you would be sign in your Azure credentials. So it says you currently have no knowledge bases. Build one using the create a knowledge base menu item. So if you will select I don't have any, right? So you select your default directory, your subscription and your services. Click on create a knowledge base. It says create a knowledge base, create an Azure service for your QnA knowledge base and add sources that contain the answers and the pair you would like to include. Okay, create a QnA service in Microsoft Azure. Step 2 would be connect your QnA service to your knowledge base. Step 3 would be name your knowledge base, populate your knowledge base, so on and so forth. So let's go to step number 1, which is create a QnA service. Click on create a QnA service. It will take me to the next portal, which is portal.azure.com. Come on. And we are coming through. It is asking for my name, the name of the service. So let's say it is Azure-QnA. Subscription is pay as you go. And select the F0 pricing tier. The resource group, create a new resource group. Okay, make sure the name is unique. Central US, pricing tier, 3 indexes, Azure search location. For the search location, select the location you used earlier, which is not Central India, it would be Central US. All right. App name is Test Azure QnA. Website location is Central US. Keep it in the location. Let's disable app insights as of now. Let me just go through this. Click on create. Finally, I have deployment succeeded. Congratulations. Click on go to resource. Okay, now we will connect the QnA Maker service to the knowledge base. And I would go to the QnA Maker web portal. It is here. I click on refresh. Now come to step 2. So I hope this is clear to you that we have created the QnA Maker service details here. And let's proceed with the next video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.